Hello guys and welcome. Today we have this interesting question right here. We are given this right angle triangle of which the hypotenuse is 5, the base is 3, and then the height is actually 4. That is not all. We have a circle inscribed in it, and the center of the circle is this point right here, which is O. And we are supposed to find the area of this circle. Pretty interesting, huh? Feel free to pause the video and try this first. Are you done? Cool. Now let's get started. Because point O is actually the center of the circle, in fact, if we draw a straight line all the way from the center to this point right here, that is actually the radius of the circle, right? Cool. Then in the same way, we can draw a straight line all the way from the center to this point right here. And this is also the radius. And what can we see? This is a straight line and is perpendicular to this tangent line. So it means that the angle right here is 90 degrees. In the same way, this line is also perpendicular to this tangent. Therefore, the angle right here is also 90 degrees. And then we can see that here there's also a 90 degrees angle here. This is a quadrilateral, but we have 90, 90, 90, 90 angle. So straight away we can say that this is obviously a square. And if it is a square, then it means that this line right here is the same as this line right here. So if here is R, indeed, here is also going to be R. In the same way, the length of this radius here is the same as the length from here to here. Therefore, this is also going to be R. Interesting, huh? Cool. Now, watch this. The distance from here to here is 3, and we know that from this point right here to this point is R. Therefore, what will be the distance from here to here? Obviously, that is going to be 3 minus R. Cool. In the same way, from here to here is giving us 4. The length is 4. And we know that from this point to this point right here is R. Therefore, from here to here is actually going to be 4 minus R. Cool. Now, let's pay attention to this part. It's very important. From here, this is a point, and then these two tangents intersect at this point, right? What it means is that the distance from this point to this point is the same as the distance from this point to this point right here, because they are all originating from the same point and they are all tangent lines, right? Cool. So if from here to here is 3 minus R, definitely from here to here must also be 3 minus R. So we can write here that this is 3 minus R. In the same way, these two lines are all tangent and they are originating from this point. We know that from here all the way to this point is 4 minus R. What it means is that from here to here is also 4 minus R, because they are the same. So we're going to have 4 minus R right here. Don't you think we can write an equation for this line right here? Because we know that from here to here is giving us 5. We can write equation for that. Cool. So we're going to have 5 is equal to this right here from here to here plus from here to here. So we're going to have 3 minus R plus 4 minus R. This is the equation. So we will have 5 is equal to 7 minus 2R. In fact, let's go ahead and then minus 7 on each side of the equation so that this and this will go. And on the left, we will have minus 2 is equal to minus 2R on the right, just like that. In fact, we are looking for the radius, so let's go ahead and then divide each side of the equation by negative 2R so that this and this will go. Then, obviously, this will go into this one, so we have 1 is equal to R. Therefore, the radius is actually equal to 1 unit. So the radius here is 1 unit. This is also 1 unit because they are all radius. Cool. Now, the question is saying we should find the area of the circle. And I think now that we know the radius to be 1, the question is solved already. Area of a circle is equal to pi r squared. Now we know that the r is 1 right here, so we're going to have area is equal to pi times 1 squared. And it's obvious that this is going to be pi. So the area is pi. Isn't this interesting? That is why I'm saying that math is for fun. Consider this one. This whole circle here in the area is pi. Cool and nice, right? Yeah, but we're talking about area. We shouldn't leave it just like this. In fact, you're supposed to add a unit. So let's say unit square. Unit square. You're talking about area. And that is pretty much it. Interesting question, huh? Comment down below what you think about this question, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I have a lot more to give you right on this channel. And also, one important thing, thumbs up is very important. Please, 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 thumbs up. Thumbs up. Bye bye.